Wide open terrain, a full tank of gas, and someone to share it with. Perfect conditions to showcase our first ever Talon 1000R. Standing at nearly 69 inches wide, it's built for speed over rugged terrain, from rock crawl ravines to dry lake beds, dunes, and the miles of trail connecting them all. Featuring a 4+ link rear suspension with over 20 inches of travel, the R excels at high-speed tracking, with a chassis and suspension that's been specially tuned to prioritize tracking and large bump absorption. The 999cc liquid-cooled engine has been optimized for max acceleration and near-endless power. And because it's a Honda, you can rip all day and let our signature reliability take care of the rest. Then there's our exclusive 6-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission. Drive in fully automatic mode or manual mode via paddle shifters mounted right on the steering column. Either way, nothing gets engine power to the ground like our DCT. Engineering excellence, unparalleled quality. That's how life is better side by side in the all-new Talon 1000R. From Honda.